creating the beautiful welded art project that include sculpture of animals, human beings, birds, and more can be a highly creative and a rewarding profession. Welding allows artists to transform metal into a intricate and a lifelike form, enabling them to explore a wide range of artistic expressions. Here are some detailed description and the ideas of welded art project featuring various subjects. I hope you people are doing so well. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my channel. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. So let's get started. Imagine crafting a stunning metal representation of a majestic lion or a graceful dolphin or a whimsical sea turtle. Using different type of metal and welding technique, you can capture the sense of these animals with their unique texture and the features. For example, a welded lion sculpture might showcase intricate main details and a powerful stance, while a welded dolphin sculpture could capture the influidity of its body and its leap through the waves. Welded human sculpture offer a unique opportunity of depict the human form in various poses and expressions. You can create life-size or the abstract representation of people, celebrating the beauty and the complexity of the human bodies. Consider crafting a welded figure in a dynamic pose, like a dancer mid-performance, an athlete in action, or an aggressive portrait. Convey emotion through the metal counters. Birds are the popular subject for welded art due to their grace and the dignity. You can create a striking sculpture of bird in flight, perched on a branches, and even an abstract representation that capture their essence. Welding allows you to incorporate a variety of metal in a mimic feathers, beaks, and the talons, add a realistic and the tactile dimension to your aviation creation. Welding also offers endless possibilities of abstract art. You can experiment with shape, line, and textures to create non-professional pieces, representational pieces that evoke emotion and ideas. These projects might include a large-scale outdoor installations such as abstract sculpture for public spaces, where the interplay of light and shadows on the metal surface become an integral part of art. Welding with recycled metal material add an eco-friendly dimension to your art. Creating sculpture from old car parts, scrap metal, discarded tools not only give a new life to the subject and the object, but also allow you to convey a message about sustainability. These projects can feature animal, human, abstract form, and they often have a rustic and the industrial artistic touch that appeal to a wide range of audience. Combine welding with other artistic medium like glass, wood, and the ceramics to create a mixed media sculpture that incorporate diverse texture and the colors. These pieces can be visually striking and conceptually rich. For instance, you would weld a metal human figure and incorporate stained glass element for added depth and the visual interest. When embark on a welding art project like these, it's important to prioritize safety by wearing appropriate protective gear, having proper ventilation in your workspace, and following welding safety guidelines. Additionally, consider your choice of metal, welding techniques, and the finishing method to achieve the desired aesthetic and the longevity of your artwork. Welding is a versatile and the dynamic medium, allowing artists to push the boundaries to creative and bring their unique vision of life. Certainly, here are some other ideas and more information about these ideas for welded art project that involves animals, humans, birds, and much more. Design and craft welding structures specifically intended for outdoor garden. Popular subjects include whimsical insects, playful animals, and decorative plant stakes. Consider using weather-resistant metal like stainless steel or treated iron to ensure the longevity of your garden structure. Explore the realm of methodology of fantasy by creating welded sculpture of legendary creatures like dragon, griffins, unicorns, and the mermaids. These sculptures can be a highly detailed and imaginative, allowing you to infuse your own artistic interpretation into these mythical beings. Combine welding and engineering together to create a kinetic sculpture that move or respond to the environment factors such as wind, water, or light. This dynamic artwork can be both visually captivating and intellectually engaging. An example might be a metal sculpture of a bird that flaps its wing when the wind blows, adding an element of surprise and intrication to the viewers. Welding can be used to create functional art pieces such as custom-made furniture, light fixture, incorporate handrails, craft unique table chairs, explore culture and the historical narrative by creating welded sculpture that pay tribute to the specific time period, event, or the traditions. For instance, you might creating a welded art piece that represent a significant moment in history of culture icon using metal techniques and the relevant of the eras. Push the boundaries of human representation by crafting a surreal and abstract human figures. Experiment with exaggerated proportion, fragmented forms, and unconventional metals and the materials to challenge tradition of human bodies. Here are some other ideas. Use welding to create sculpture that play with the light and the shadows by strategically placing light source. You can cast intriguing shadows that enhance the visual impact of your artwork. Remember that the possibilities of welded art project are virtually limitless, and your creativity is only boundary. Whether you choose to work with animals, human beings, birds, or the other subjects, welding allows you to express yourself in a medium that is both enduring and visually captivating. Gradually, here are step-by-step guide to how to get started with welding project, along with some project ideas and the safety precautions. Before you start welding, it's crucial to understand the basic of welding techniques, equipments, and the safety measures. Consider making a welding class at a local community college or vocational school, or you find many online resources and the tutorials. Acquire the necessary equipment. To start welding, you will need to following these equipments. Choose the appropriate type of welding machine for a welding project such as MIG, TIG, or stick welding. Protect your eyes and faces from ARC radiation with a welding helmet. Invest in high quality welding gloves to protect your hand from burn and the sparks. Wear a flame resistant jacket, apron or a shield your body from a spark and the heat. In addition to a helmet, wear welding goggles for additional eye protection. Use these tools to hold your workspaces surely in the places. You may need a grinder for cleaning and preparing your materials, as well as ear protection, safety shoes, and the respiratory for additional safety. Depending on your chosen project, you will need appropriate material like metal stock, electrodes, filler rods, and any specialized tools such as wire, brushes, chipping hammer, and the measuring devices. Here are some beginner-friendly welding projects. Start with a basic flat plate to participate in your welding deeds and the techniques. Build a cart to store and transport your welding